Our question this week comes from one of our producers, Tom. What does the recirculating air button do, and when should I use it? Dustin?
So the recirculating air button recirculates air within the vehicle. So on a hot day, you don't want to use it right off the bat. What you do is you turn on your regular AC, let the temperature within the vehicle equalize with the outside temperature. Then you turn on the recirculating air button, and that'll get your AC as cold as it can go. During the winter, you shouldn't use it because it recirculates the humidity within the vehicle, which will fog your windows and make it difficult to see. So, don't use the recirculating air button in the winter.
Got it. Thanks, Dustin. Having that question answered was a breath of fresh air. Really, Tom? If you have any questions, ask them in the comments below and we'll answer them in future episodes. And for those car problems you need fixed, come on down to Main Street Mechanic in American Fork. Click the link below to get 50% off your next oil change.